It's Sunday. I need some mommy juice. Great in a coffee cup, so it looks like you're drinking coffee. Hello everybody. So this month went by so fast. I'm sorry, my camera's off. There we go. I have so many favorites to share with you guys, and these are all things that I used, not just this month, but some of them are new products, so those are products I've used just this month. But some products I use all the time, and you know what ones those are. I will go ahead and post all of the items that I talk about in this video down below, as well as the price, and I will try to link them if I can find links to them. So the first thing, I think I'm gonna start with face and work my way down. Well, this is, okay, so I've been dyeing, I used to do ombre hair all the time, and I've been dyeing it, like if you can see, which it looks kind of brassy right now. I need to re-dye it. But this, next time I do it, I'm gonna make a video for you guys. It's so easy, you guys. So what I use is the Revlon Frost and Glow Kit. It's supposed to be for highlights. They give you the shower cap and you pull your hair through. I usually, I've done that before, but now I just use it for the ombre. It works so great. I got a blue shampoo. I haven't really been using it, so it's my fault, but I do need to touch up on this stuff. But that is my favorite. I never go to a salon. I cut my own hair. I dye my own hair. Okay, so there's that. And then I have been loving, this is just this month. I've been doing this. This is the Yes to Coconut Ultra Hydrating for Dry Skin Energizing Coffee 2-in-1 Scrub and Cleanser Stick. That is a lot. So it's a stick. It twists off, and you twist it up, and it's a big old giant stick. I keep this bad boy in the shower because that's great in the shower. I get my face nice and wet, and then I just get it all over. And then I work it in with my clean hands because I'm in the shower, so they're nice and clean. And there's a little bit of exfoliant in it, but it's supposed to wash your face, and it's great. It's so good, and it's catered to dry skin. Okay, you guys, on my eyes, I didn't put this in my favorites because I literally just got it yesterday. So I got this palette yesterday, and I did this look. And keep in mind, I've been wearing this look, I've been wearing it since 10 a.m. and it's now 5:30. Personally, and I'm gonna do a review for you guys and some looks on the newest palette. I don't know. I've never been like that big of a fan of Morphe eyeshadows, and that's not just me. That's most of my friends, my sister. Personally, I don't know, like they're beautiful in the palette, and then once you put them on your eye or you swatch them, it's like, a lot of them are patchy and stuff. This one though, you guys, I was so impressed, and I didn't really think anything of it. I got the palette, I saw the palette in the store, and I'm like, this is perfect for fall. Look at those colors, perfect for fall. Love them, especially if you have blue eyes or green eyes. For me, orange just makes your eyes pop if you have blue and green. I have both. I have blue and green in my eyes. This is the 15D palette though. I just wanted to show you. I will be doing looks on that. It's probably going to be in my next month's favorites because I just got it yesterday and I've only used it once. But so far, I'm loving it. Okay. Oh, moisturizer. My all-time favorite moisturizer is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. This is great. I have dry skin. My husband has oily skin. I got this for him for his birthday. When was it? I think it was last year. And he always uses it. He loves it, and I always use it too. And like I said, he has oily skin, and it's great for him, and I have dry skin, and it's great for me. I love this stuff. Gotta get it. Okay. Next. So I got this foundation, Milani Conceal and Perfect, back when they only had, I don't think they had that many shades, but they were either super, super pink undertone or super yellow. They didn't have any neutral. And then they came out with more shades. I don't know if this is new, but my Walmart just got them. So I was so excited. This is 2A. Now the regular one I had was 2 and it was so yellow. I'd have to add stuff to it to make it less yellow. This is Creamy Natural 2A. And it's just like the perfect shade for me. Like even when I'm not tanning, it's perfect for me. Now when I am tanning, I do have to add some other foundation to it. But this is like my go-to when I'm not tanning. And it's a great color. And I like to mix this stuff in it because I don't like matte foundation just because I have dry skin. Now if you're one with oily skin, matte foundation would probably look really good on you. For me, because I have such dry skin, matte foundation will go into all of my dry patches or crevices and stuff, wrinkles I never knew I had. I freaking hate that. There's nothing worse than putting on foundation and realizing how old you really are. That's just the worst. So anyways, I put in the Hard Candy Glow All The Way Glamazon Bronze. This stuff is the bomb. I love this stuff. And I will mix this and another favorite, the Josie Marin, I think that's how you pronounce it. 100% pure argan oil in light. I put 2 drops of that, this bad boy, and this, and it leaves my skin so nice. Love it. Almost gotta take a wine break. Cheers. So next I'm gonna show you my favorite concealer. For those of you who watch my videos all the time, you know how much I rave about this. This is the Bare Minerals Bare Skin Complete Coverage Serum Concealer. This is so good. I love this concealer so much. It's a very full coverage concealer, so it'll cover everything, especially like under your eyes, but it doesn't. Now, if you apply too much of any concealer, you're gonna get creasing no matter what. But this is like the least likely to crease, in my opinion, from all the concealers I've tried. And it's just so creamy, and it's crazy because there's no like glitter or anything in it, but I feel like it leaves my under eyes like looking glowy, if that makes sense. I don't know, but it leaves my skin looking great. This month, I talked about the Too Faced Then and Now palette, and this has been my favorite. I think I'm gonna like blow on it. For those of you who haven't seen it, it smells so good. I didn't really think that much about it. I actually just got it to do the review for you guys. And then I used it and used it and used it. That's how I am. When I get a new palette, I'm like, that's my palette. I'm gonna keep using it, keep doing different looks. Whether I post videos or not, I'm constantly using that one palette for weeks at a time. This is great. The glitters, there's not a lot of fallout. The mattes are great, the shimmers, the glitters, everything. Like I really, really love this palette. So that is my favorite for this month. Another favorite, which this is like always my favorite, this is my go-to palette. And I'm not sure, I'm pretty sure that this was like a holiday collection. I'm not 100% sure. But when I post everything down below, I will mention that when I show this. This is the Becca Apre Glow Face Palette. And this bad boy, so pretty. Like this contour, this highlighter, you can tell, look at that, how dirty that is, so nasty. I use this as my blush. I don't use this, but sometimes I will mix these two, especially in the summer. I love this. Usually during the winter and stuff, I'll use this, but it's just such a great palette for my skin tone. Lipstick. I get so many compliments, whether it's from my friends, strangers when I'm in the store, or even here on YouTube. And it is so inexpensive, you guys. And I have like 3 or 4 of them because I love it so much. This is the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit Matte Lipstick in Nudie Patootie. And it's such a beautiful nude. And what I like to do is put a brown, let's see if I have a brown. I don't, this one is broken. But I usually put a brown, any brown lip liner you have underneath, and then apply this on top. I just love like those brown lipsticks. It's a really nice color though. On its own, it's super, super light. That's why I like to put like a brown underneath. I've been using this Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art, and what color is this one? 100 Topaz. I use this for so many looks. It is so diverse because it has gold and silver glitters in it. Oh geez, just Louise. So I'll use this as my base for a lot of different looks I do. You guys can see that. I had a lot of people mention that my videos are very dark. So this window that I'm facing, it's a huge window. It's ceiling to floor, and I'm trying to find curtains, which I'm sure there's curtains. I know there is, but on Amazon I haven't found any, and I'm a little too lazy to go to the store and get curtains. Like, I am an online shopper. I don't like having to go to the store except for groceries. So yeah, I need to get curtains so then I can put my lights and my backdrop and all that stuff. So I do apologize if it's super, super dark, but for now, just work with me, okay? Then this is the glitter, and I put this on as my eyeliner all the time. It's so, so pretty. I have it in a blue color. That's an amazing color also. All right, mascara. I found this mascara, and it was new when I found it. I think I got it last month, and I fell in love. This thing separates, it lengthens, it curls like no other, and I'm not even kidding. This is the L'Oreal, yeah, L'Oreal Voluminous Feline. You guys need to try this bad boy. I'm not even kidding. This is such an amazing, and even the wand, it's so, hope you guys can see that. There's all these different like ridges and stuff. Favorite. Okay, Morphe sponge. I see so many people using this, and personally, I have always been a beauty blender kind of girl. I have, how many beauty blenders? I have about 4 beauty blenders, and I had 2 other ones that I ended up having to toss, and it broke my heart because it was just like they were falling apart and I just had to throw them away. I even have the little mini beauty blenders also. Then I tried out the Real Techniques, and it took me months. Everybody was raving about it, and I was like, I don't see what's so good about Real Techniques sponges. And then I ended up, one day I'm just like, oh, these are good. They aren't as good as a beauty blender, but they're still great. Then I started using this. This is so good. It is not as good as a beauty blender. I will always be true to my beauty blender. But it's like right in the middle. It's like better than the Real Techniques, not as good as a beauty blender, but honestly, I've been using this, and what I love is this right here, because you can etch out, like after you contour, you can really etch that out, or like if you have creasing under your eye, really get all up in there, and it's my favorite. I went into Target, and my goal was just to find a fall nail polish. And dang, my nails are all messed up right now. I found it. And it is the Sally Hansen Complete Salon Manicure in Rags to Riches. You guys, isn't this just the perfect fall color? It's just the perfect. I saw this picture on Pinterest, and it was this exact color, and the girl did one, just her ring finger, gold. It looked so good. I think I'm gonna do that next. So this is gonna be my nail polish. I'll probably get like 2 more of them, and it's gonna be all fall. This is all I'm gonna wear. My favorite body moisturizer, hands down, Soap & Glory's Body Milk. This stuff is so yummy. You want to eat it. Like, I gotta smell it real quick. If you guys haven't tried this, go to your nearest Target, go to your nearest Ulta, smell it. Because you will be like, ah. No, I'm not even kidding. It smells so freaking good. You guys are probably like, what is wrong with her? But it smells so good. It smells like almonds and like, oh, I can't explain it, but it's just so yummy. And it leaves your skin feeling amazing. Then, what I like to do is, okay, Saint Tropez came out with extra dark. When I saw that, I was like, oh yes, I'm gonna get it. And I got it, and it's amazing. At first I was like, does it really leave your skin that much darker? But I don't know, I don't think it leaves it that much darker, honestly. Maybe 1 or 2 more shades than the regular dark one. However, it lasts so much longer in my opinion. I feel like this one lasts so long and looks so much more natural and doesn't wear off like the other one. Like sometimes the other one wore off in like patches, like nasty patches where you're like, ugh, you can tell it's fake. This one, it comes off all at once. I don't know. I just never had any problems, and I'm at like the end of it. I need to get another one. Then what I like to do, I found this at Walmart. I wanted something to spray on my décolleté area, and for those of you who didn't know, that's what this is right here, your décolleté. I wanted something to spray on that, like when I'm wearing a bathing suit or where I'm wearing low-cut shirts. I just wanted some extra shine. So I didn't find anything that you could spray on yourself, but I found this, and this stuff is so good. It is the hard candy, what is that? I don't know if it's, I think it's Dust Glow Body Luminizer Head to Toe Skin Glow. And I thought it was gonna be a spray, but it's a pump. But you just pump it in your hand and work it in, and it's a golden, let me just show you guys. It's so pretty. That's what it comes out like. You're gonna be like, oh my god. At first I was like, that is so freaking dark. So then you rub it in. It does give your skin a little bit of a tint, just a little bit, not a lot. But on your legs, when you're wearing dresses, that's what I do too. This is amazing. So my trick, because this isn't moisturizing whatsoever. So what I like to do is take 1 pump of this and a couple pumps even of this, and I will work it in my hands, and then I'll put it on my legs, I'll put it on my arms, put it on my décolleté area, and it'll just leave me looking so glowy and healthy looking, and my skin looking so great. I love that. I love this combination. All right, you guys, so I hope you enjoyed my favorites of September. Like I said, I will link everything down below. If you guys have any requests or suggestions for videos, leave it down below in the comments or message me. You can message me and I will write you back. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great day or